it's Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, sometimes you buy tools, you take them home, you put them somewhere and forget about them. This happened to be one of those. Ryobi 4-volt lithium screwdriver. Now, I've already opened it to charge it, but I wanted to show you how it looks like in the package. I don't know when I bought this thing. I don't know how much I paid for it. I just know it's in my collection right now. Anyway, let's give this thing a quick look. I've never used it before. All I did was charge it up. I'll take that and put it aside. 4-volt lithium screwdriver, forward and reverse. 2 screwdriving bits included. Up to 200 revolutions per minute, RPMs. Ryobi HP 34L. There we go. Just a basic information on the back. Let's see here. 1/4 inch hex collet for quick and easy bit changes. Grip zone right here. 2-finger on and off trigger. So anyway, here we go. Now this is not the one that twists and turns into a pistol grip. This one is just a straight on. Excuse me here, and I gotta open up a adult beverage here. It's 96 degrees outside here in northern Georgia. Humidity is up to like 800%. Anyway, Ryobi, typical colors. Here we go. Here's where you plug it in and charge. And this is the charging cord that came with it. And here are the 2 bits that came with it. One is a Phillips number 2, and one is a slotted, I can't read that number, slotted something. Anyway, that's what it is. And they just slip right into the end right there. Holds it pretty good. Now anything that has this type of connection should fit into this screwdriver. Got air vents all the way around the front here. Here's the on and off trigger right here. Just squeeze it. It's pretty comfortable for what it is. A little sticker on the back says, let's see, recycle. That's probably for the battery that's in it. There we go. You can see how big it is compared to my hand. I'm sure most of y'all have seen these in the store, or one similar to it, maybe a different brand name, but they all basically work the same. So to test this one, I have an old piece of wood right here. Been sitting on my picnic table here for a long time. Looks like a piece of oak. And I've already pre-drilled a hole in it right here, an 1/8 inch hole. And I have a screw right here. We're going to see how much effort it takes to go in this 1/8 inch hole. Here we go. Put this bit in right here. Let's see how much force it takes to push this screw into this hole. There we go. Let's do it like this. Oh, that's not bad at all. That is flush with a piece of wood. There we go. That is flush. So it did bury the screw. Let's see how good it is at taking it out. Oops, where's reverse on here? There we go. Now let's try it in here. I'm gonna put it in this piece of wood without a hole, starter hole. Let's see what we have to do on there get it to sink all the way down like we did before in this hole. Let me get it started a little bit. There we go. Now I'm going to turn it on its side so you can easily see it. There we go. That is completely sank into this piece of wood also. Let's reverse that out of here. There we go. Put that in reverse right there. Squeeze the on and off switch. Came out very easy. Got an ant coming across the table right here, and I think I have a couple of ants on my leg. I think one just bit me. But we're going to get through with this video before us stop and start scratching. So, Ryobi 4-volt lithium screwdriver. I wouldn't take this to a job site and use it, but for everyday use around the house, putting on light sockets, maybe putting in a screw into a piece of wood like I did here on your back porch, stuff like that, I think this will be good for that. You saw how well it went into this piece of wood with a hole, a pre-drilled hole and a non-pre-drilled hole. It had no problem going into there. So putting on screws in light duty surface around your house should not be any problem. Now I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that it might be hard to find these in Home Depot now. Now they have a different version of 9-volt battery, 9-volt tools out. But if you do, I'm just going to go out on a limb again for the sake of time and say these are going to be around $15, $20, somewhere in that range. Not a bad tool to have in your drawer, your junk drawer. If you have one of these, let me know how you like it. Leave a comment in the section below and tell us how you like yours. If it up to your standards. Anyway, there we go. My name is Carl. Oh, here's the 2 bits. Here's the tool. Here's the charger. That comes in a kit. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.